This Bubble tutorial video is a follow-up to our recent video about how to schedule recurring workflows in 2023. This is all about how Bubble has expanded upon the original set of features for recurring workflows. You no longer have to use a workaround if you want to schedule from daily into larger increments. So what we have so far is showing you how to create a backend workflow that is a recurring workflow and is scheduling this event daily email to users. But how do you cancel it? And it's really quick and easy to do so. I've added in a button called cancel and I'm going to add in a workflow. And so I now go to set or cancel a recurring event. I choose the event that I had scheduled before, and then the way that it's identified, kind of the piece of data that the recurring event latches onto, I enter as current user, and you can see that here. So in order for Bubble to be able to find the right event to cancel, we need to link it back to current user. And then the frequency I just set to none. And then if I preview that, and just to show you what's going on, in Logs Scheduler, you can see that I have the workflow scheduled for roughly 24 hours time. That is tomorrow for me when I'm recording this video. But then when I click this button and then press show all, you can see that the recurring workflow has been cancelled. So there you have it. That is how to cancel a recurring workflow, a recurring event in Bubble. Check out our website, planetnocode.com, for even more Bubble tutorial videos.